Welcome back to the channel where you get a Likkle Everything Jamaican. Thank you so much to all our viewers and subscribers for your continued support. So today we are here at the Kevin. We would have done a video with Kevin already in which he would have spoken about a number of things, what would have happened to him because he is currently in a wheelchair. And so he would have called us back wanting to talk to us. So we're going to see what he wants to talk to us about. So before we get to that, please remember to like, share and subscribe and to hit the post notification bell. So once we upload a new video, you will be notified. So let's get into the video. All right, so hi Kevin.
Good morning.
Morning, how are you doing?
Not too bad.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
So we would have met up with you already.
Yeah.
Yes, but you would have reached out to us, you know, wanting to see us again.
Yeah.
Right, so for those persons who may not have seen your video, because we would have posted a video with you some time ago.
Yeah.
So for those persons, you know, who would be seeing you in a wheelchair now, wanting to know what would have happened to you, just give us an overview of what would have taken place.
A couple years ago, just was normal, walking and so forth. Was living in Spanish Town when I get sick. Went to the hospital and just stopped walk.
Yeah. Yeah. And that was like when you were 15, you would have said before.
Yeah.
Okay, and you have not been able to walk since that. Yeah. Okay. All right, so the last time we spoke, you talked about, you know, the things that you do on your own for a living.
Yeah.
Because you currently raise a chicken and so forth. You don't have any now. In your first video, you would have mentioned that, you know, you raise chicken and so for a living.
Yeah.
Right, you don't have any in the coop right now.
No. Yeah,
right, you would have slaughtered those since we came the last time. Right. All right, so talk to us about why you would have wanted us to come back.
Our friend in Canada, she saw the video.
Yes.
She did the first video that I get the chair.
Right.
The chair, yeah. She see it and say she'd like another video that she can get help to help me to build a hog pen.
To build a pig pen, right? Because you currently have 2 pigs, you say, but they are not in a pen. Last time we spoke, you said that your friend was keeping them for you.
I take one of them recently.
Right, because we can see one of them down there now. So you have one of them now?
Yeah.
Right. Okay, so you're asking for help with what really?
I just to build a cupboard and fix the pen, as I said. Yeah, and any help from there, yeah, it will be glad. Apatio and the house, I need it like to tile and so forth. Yeah, yeah. So if I get help in any.
All right. So you said to build a full coop, but you really have a full coop already.
Yeah,
you just
just
setting
a bigger
to extend it.
Extend it to a bigger unit.
Okay. Okay. All right, so you can raise more chicken.
Yeah.
All right, but talk to us some more about the pig pen now, because you need help to build that. What is it? What are some of the things that you would need?
Block, sand or gravel, or mall, but it's more easier.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just on steel, it's cement and so forth, yeah.
Okay, and what about the roofing of it? You plan to roof it as well?
Yeah, just not all of it.
Yes.
Just a little part of it that they could shelter under.
Okay,
and
okay.
They left another part to here. Yeah.
So anybody watching and wants to help you, you would take help in the form of the block, cement, steel, marl or gravel, you said, and a little zinc to cover it over, just so you can have the pigs inside. All right, so your cousin Sherika, we would have met her the first time we came, and you did mention that she does an excellent job of assisting you daily. You know, she works by you. So I'm gonna call her because I know she wanted to say something. Sherika. Hi, Sherika. Hi. Okay, so you wanted to say something. Yes, go ahead.
I was saying that we need also paint for the house. Okay? And we need to do the floor. We need to do the floor up.
What needs to be done to the floor?
Like it's cracking up.
Okay.
So we need marl and those stuff to do that before.
Okay, because I'm looking at the floor now. The floor is basically concrete.
Yeah.
So
But
you're
it's
saying
cracking up.
it's cracking up. So you'd need maybe marl or cement or sand to do a resurfacing of the floor.
Yeah.
Right, and any plans to tile it?
Yes.
Also, if
We're looking
anybody
at the
need,
tiling
you
also.
need assistance with that as well. Okay, okay. All right. So Kevin,
And
how?
we like to get another chair for him also.
Okay.
Yes.
Separate and apart from that one
Yes, we need
that,
another chair.
okay, why? So,
Because this one right now, the screws are falling out.
you're referring to this one that he's
That one,
sitting
the
in
one that he
now?
gets, the one that he
The,
gets help with.
oh, that one, the new one, the red one. Okay, the screws are falling out of that one.
Just need
Oh,
a little
We just need a little
assistance
assistant with. We
to
could get
just
another
prime it up.
chair.
okay.
Yeah.
All right, so you were saying something about the wheelchair. Now, you said the new one that was donated, currently the screws are falling apart.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you would appreciate the assistance with a new wheelchair?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. All right, so far, so that would be it that you're asking?
And the black tank that we set the last
Oh,
time.
you'd have asked for a
We need
black.
black tank.
Okay, okay. All right, so since we would have done the first video, Kevin, would you have received any call or any assistance from anybody?
Yes.
Yeah, Sherika did.
Yes, we
Yeah.
received
Talk to us about that.
two male persons call. They say they want to help.
Okay.
So they say they want to come to us and view the place and then give us their support
Okay, okay, awesome. So those persons are overseas?
overseas.
Those persons are overseas.
Yeah.
So when they visit, they promise to come.
They promise to come and view the place and help us.
Okay, they promise to come view the place and then give some assistance.
Yeah.
Okay, but in the meantime, you have some additional things that you would need help with.
Yeah,
And so that is why we are here today.
Yeah.
All right, so you mentioned the pig pen. So Kevin, I'm gonna ask you, because I know you kind of handy around the
Yeah,
place and
yeah.
you know how to get around.
Yeah.
Just show us where the pig pen is and the current state that it is in.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the pig pen,
Yeah.
or what is left
Yeah,
of what it
yeah.
was before.
Yeah.
Oh, so we see that it has deteriorated, so it needs
Yeah.
some, well, pretty much reconstruction.
Yeah.
Right. So you're asking for help with the block and
Yeah.
cement, steel, and you did say marl and the sand.
Yeah. Either more or sand or the steel.
It to be off and off like
Yeah.
pigs and goats.
Oh, you want to, oh, so when you,
Pig in this side and the goat on the next side.
okay, so you're going to put goats in there as well.
Yeah.
So as I was saying before, we will put pigs on that side and the goats on the next side. So
Yeah.
we will put it in half.
Okay, so it would be serve dual purpose. You have a
Yeah,
goat
yeah,
pen and you
yeah,
also
yeah.
will have a, yeah, okay, okay. So anybody out there watching this video and wants to help Kevin and the Sherika with the pig pen or any of the other items that they would have listed before, you can do so by calling. What's your number, Kevin? Just say your number so we can place it on the screen or in the description as well.
So I will give you his number 205-1595 and my number is 893-4369.
Awesome, beautiful. So anybody out there watching this video and wants to help Kevin, please reach out to him, give him a call, and whatever help you can offer will be greatly appreciated.
Appreciated, yeah.
All right?
He also said he wants help to get some chickens.
Okay,
Yeah, and some feed for the chickens.
okay, okay. All right. So I'm gonna ask you, Kevin, though, to just show us the house,
Yeah.
the floor, because you did ask for assistance
Yeah,
with the
yeah,
floor
yeah.
as well.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna ask you to just give us a little tour so we can
Yeah.
see what it really looks like.
Yeah.
All right. So we're gonna follow you back up. to the house. We could also, because you have to pass the chicken coop to the house, so maybe you could just show us what the coop look like again. You know, since I mentioned that you would need some help to extend it.
Pass the key now, yes.
Oh, you lock it up, Kevin?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Let's soon come here,
It's
brother.
no kombucha. Everybody.
I can take it from the side.
So we're looking at the chicken coop. Yes, so Alex, so you were saying that you assist Kevin, you know, with every little thing because you are his friend. So I was saying to you too that I know that Kevin appreciates it because when we did the first video with him, he spoke very highly of his friends. Okay. You know? Yeah. So you were saying that no matter what, one thing call on you know, up and about, you know? Yeah. So I see you assisting him even this morning with his goats. Yeah. So tell us what happened to the goats.
Yeah, basically, it seems like you have some complication with the problem to have the kid, you understand?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so the force and my force there is like damaging, you know?
Okay. Her intestine came out somewhat.
That's she.
Alright, so her intestine came out.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're assisting and you're also waiting on the vet.
Yeah, on the vet, yeah.
So she have her kid last night and somehow, you know.
Yeah.
The afterbirth never come out properly.
Yeah.
And then
you kind of strain her, you understand?
Okay.
That was true, really.
Alright. Alex, thank you for talking to us. Alright, so Kevin, what I want for you to do now is to show us, just give us a little tour of the floor in the house.
Yeah.
So we can see what that looks like.
Yeah.
Alright, so pretty much this is what the floor looks like, Kevin.
Yeah, this part.
Concrete, like you say. Okay, so it is,
that part job.
Okay. Alright, so that part you said drop.
Yeah, it did stay like same as how in the other did stay. This side the job same way. So I did fix here first and then that room around here. So that is the last part left to fix now. So yeah. Cause this recently job. Because I never job, I never trouble it. And so I job now, so
Okay, so it's just one part that you have to resurface.
Resurface like
You resurface in here so already. So in here so just needs tiling.
Yeah, just tiling. Yeah.
Oh, but that part now where the floor break out and drop needs resurfacing.
Needs resurfacing to tile.
And needs some tile as well.
Yeah.
Okay, Kevin. All right. Alright, so Kevin, we would have seen, the things that you need help with, would have listened to you.
Yeah.
So, we're now at the end of the video. So what I'm going to ask you to do, to look in the camera and talk to the people, ask for their help, tell them your contact, how they can reach you and so on.
Yeah. You can call me or Sherika.
So
can give the number.
My number is 893-4360.
Yes.
Yeah.
You can contact both of us. I can do it all.
Okay, sure, alright. And of course, we'll put the number on the screen. We'll also put the number in the description of this video.
Yeah.
So anybody wanting to assist,
can
call.
Yeah, and I really appreciate any help I get. And I will thankful,
Yes, Kevin. Alright. Okay, so thank you so much for watching Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Please reach out to Kevin if you can. Any assistance, like he said, offered will be greatly appreciated. Thanks so much and blessing everybody.
Thank you.
Thanks.